Taking an in-depth look at a motion filed in a federal court case after threats were made against a judge and a prosecutor. This is a motion that also caught our eye because it is connected to Peter Gerace, a Cheektowaga strip club owner facing sex and drug trafficking charges. A retired judge weighing in to our Kristen Miranda about all this, calling it unusual and something that should not be taken lightly.
There's yet another twist and turn in a federal court case connected to Peter Gerace, the owner of Pharaoh's Gentlemen's Club in Cheektowaga. This was just filed in a separate federal case connected to Gerace. A witness against him, Crystal Quinn, died from an overdose. Simon Gogolak is accused of giving her drugs. In Gogolak's case, the government now wants a protective order to prevent anyone from sharing information or details about witnesses ahead of trial, saying there are legitimate fears of witness tampering and retaliation. Former state Supreme Court Judge Penny Wolfgang calls such a request very unusual.
The case involves witness intimidation, tampering with witnesses, and above all else, the alleged murder of a witness. As we know, we've heard a lot about this Crystal Quinn, who was allegedly murdered by drugs by the defendants, allegedly, so she would not be a witness. So all of these issues are more serious than usual. And of course, they claim that organized crime is involved.
This request comes after the prosecutors say Gogolak publicly and privately threatened to sell his discovery and shared a desire to retaliate against witnesses against him, even providing this screenshot from a Facebook post as evidence.
So what the government's trying to do is make sure that this information does not get out. The names of witnesses, you can imagine the danger already been proven. And also, they do allege that organized crime is involved. And for all of these reasons, the government wants a protective order.
Prosecutors cite a recent threat in Gerace's case as an example. The motion says a member of a motorcycle group has a desire to see Assistant U.S. Attorney Joseph Trippi and Chief Judge Elizabeth Wolford executed during Gerace's trial.
It's not just pie in the sky, oh, this could happen, that can happen, because they claim right in the papers that a witness has already been murdered. So it's not something to be taken lightly.
Judge Wolfgang says this motion requests everything be kept under wraps between the prosecutors and defense until the trial starts.
Once the trial starts, it's going to be public. You know, we have a right to a public trial, and then we'll know who the witnesses are, and then we'll know what the wiretaps are, and the phone calls, and all the evidence.
Kristen Miranda, 7 News.